Did you know that your kidneys filter about 50 gallons of blood every single day? But what happens when they start to fail? Could the right foods actually help you avoid dialysis? If you or a loved one is dealing with kidney disease, listen up. In this video, we're revealing 6 powerful foods that can support your kidneys and help you stay healthier longer. Stay till the end because number 5 is a real game changer. Your kidneys are like the body's natural filtration system, removing toxins, balancing fluids, and regulating blood pressure. But when kidney function declines, waste builds up, leading to serious complications. That's why eating the right foods is crucial to prevent further damage. Did you know that 1 in 7 adults has chronic kidney disease, and many don't even realize it? Protecting your kidneys starts with your plate. 1. Blueberries, your kidney's best friend. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, vitamin C, and fiber, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress on the kidneys. Oxidative stress can lead to kidney damage over time, and blueberries combat this by neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. They are also low in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium, making them a great choice for those with kidney disease. Blueberries contain anthocyanins, which give them their deep blue color and also protect against kidney damage. What's your favorite way to eat blueberries? Let me know in the comments. 2. Cabbage, a nutrient powerhouse. Cabbage is a low-potassium, high-fiber vegetable that supports kidney health. It's rich in vitamins K, C, and B6, plus it contains phytochemicals that help fight toxins. Since it is low in potassium, it prevents excess potassium buildup, which can be dangerous for people with kidney disease. Cabbage is also high in fiber, which aids digestion and helps remove toxins before they reach the kidneys, reducing their workload. Try steaming cabbage or adding it to soups for a delicious and kidney-friendly meal. 3. Garlic, the natural detoxifier. Garlic doesn't just add flavor, it helps reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure, both of which are critical for kidney health. It contains allicin, a compound with potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, which helps protect kidney cells from damage. High blood pressure is a leading cause of kidney disease, and garlic is known to help lower blood pressure naturally, reducing the strain on the kidneys. Did you know? Studies show that garlic can help prevent kidney scarring caused by high blood sugar and high blood pressure. We're just getting started. The next 2 foods can actually help prevent kidney stones and reduce the burden on your kidneys. Keep watching. 4. Cauliflower, the kidney cleanser. Cauliflower is low in potassium and high in fiber and vitamin C, making it a great substitute for high-carb foods. It also contains glucosinolates, thiocyanates, and indoles, which help the liver break down and eliminate toxins. Since kidney disease can make it harder for the body to remove toxins, eating cauliflower helps ease the burden on your kidneys. Swap mashed potatoes with mashed cauliflower for a delicious kidney-friendly dish. 5. Red bell peppers, packed with kidney-protecting nutrients. Red bell peppers are low in potassium and loaded with vitamin C, B6, and folic acid, all of which help protect your kidneys. They also contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and prevent kidney cell damage. Since people with kidney disease need to limit potassium intake, red bell peppers are a safe and delicious choice. The bright red color means they're full of antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and prevent kidney cell damage. Do you prefer bell peppers raw or cooked? Drop your answer below. 6. Apples, the ultimate kidney-friendly snack. An apple a day doesn't just keep the doctor away, it also supports kidney function. Apples are high in fiber and pectin, which help reduce cholesterol, control blood sugar levels, and remove toxins from the body. Since they contain natural anti-inflammatory compounds, apples help protect kidney cells from damage. They are also low in potassium and phosphorus, making them a perfect snack for those with kidney disease. Eating apples with the skin gives you extra fiber and nutrients. So, there you have it. These 6 foods can make a huge difference in protecting your kidneys and avoiding dialysis. Start adding them to your diet today. Which of these foods do you already eat? Or is there a new one you'll try? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful health tips. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.